Hello everyone, this is Alicia from workersonboard.com. I hope you're having a good Monday so far. Today, I really wanted to share with you some work from home jobs that do not require a lot of experience. I know a lot of people watching this video may have difficulty getting a job because it stipulates in the job description you have to have 5+ years experience to work for this company. Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you some entry-level jobs that maybe just focus on your skills and abilities. There's also a company hiring data entry keyers to work from home, and they need you to start immediately. So if you've been looking for a typing job and you haven't been able to find any, you will today in this video. They're hiring a lot of people to do this, and I'll tell you how much they pay and what you're going to be doing. There's also a work from home job that will pay you $75 to $90 per hour for you to help students prepare for college admissions. Very high paying work from home job, and some other things that you can do to make money from home. So if you are new to this channel or you've been watching me for a while, please give me a thumbs up if you like the content that I'm sharing. I really appreciate it so much in advance, and be sure to subscribe to this channel. You can also come here and follow me on my official Facebook page so that you can keep up to date with the latest work from home news and updates and money-making sites here, and also in our group Workers on Board community. You can get access to additional work from home jobs and receive support and encouragement and other advice that's going to really benefit you in your work from home journey. So I'll link those below so you can join today. You can also pick up this resume template. It is a simple template that is designed to help your resume pass through the ATS tracking system so that it will land into the hands of a real human. Hiring managers and recruiters will be able to finally see your resume, and that's going to help you to potentially receive a job offer. So a lot of times they have this ATS tracking system in place, and it's like a bot to weed out resumes and basically prevent you from being able to even have a chance of getting the job. And so it's set up in a way and lined up so that all you have to do is just edit it and put in your personal name and details and skills and all of that so that you can get hired, finally hired to work from home. So I'll link that below. There's also another template I just created, resume template, that has keywords that employers look for, and this is specifically for entry-level jobs. So make sure you pick those up. Now, before I go into the jobs, I want to share with you all an app that I've been using probably for like a couple of years or so. But this app is one of the easiest ways you can make extra cash on the side. So if you have a vehicle, you can get paid to record your mileage. This is called Only, and this particular app will pay you. So all you have to do is snap a photo of your mileage and submit it to them every month, and you will get paid. It only takes just a few minutes. And there's other ways that you can make money here too, but that's one of the main ways that you can do so. A lot of people like it. I use it. So super easy for you to do it, and you can download it right now on Google Play or the App Store. When you do, make sure you input the code 47 capital B 337. So that's 47 capital B 337, and I'll have that code right below this video, and you can do it right now today and get started. You'll get a bonus when you do that. So the first job I wanted to share with you comes from a company called Motion Global. So what they're looking for right now is for an email/chat support agent to work from home. This is a full-time work from home job, and they need you to help customers with information that they need in response to inquiries and requests about their products, services, and promotions. So this is, even though it's in customer service, it's a non-phone job because you're going to be interacting with the customers daily via email and live chat. You will be responding to at least 100 emails per day, live chat as well. So what they're looking for in their potential candidate is for you to automatically, right up front, you can work for them for at least 6 months. You have to commit to at least working for this company for 6 months. So if you get another job offer and you're working for this company, you get hired to work from them, you will want to make sure that you have at least fulfilled your 6-month commitment, and then from there you can work for another job. You're going to be working 30 to 40 hours per week. They want you to be fluent in English, have good time management, and documentation skills. They also recognize and say here that you need to have some patience and have a stable work history and, be able to work, like I said, 30 to 40 hours a week. So they don't have any experience required here. They're just focusing on your skills. If you do have customer service experience, that is a plus, but not a requirement. So just make sure you keep that in mind. This is a job that will require for you to attach your resume. Now the pay is not disclosed here, so I'm not sure exactly how much it will be, but it is hourly, and I don't see anything right in this job description about benefits. But if you're interested, please make sure you apply online. They have other work from home jobs as well. They do hire worldwide as well. So if you're interested in that, they have some global jobs for you too, in the UK, South Africa, Italy, Ireland, and other countries, India, the Philippines, and so many more, also in the US as well. So please make sure you come here and apply online. This job is actually listed on the weekly job section right at the top, posted for today's date. Make sure you watch this video too if you have not yet, if you want to get paid to monitor calls and get paid $17 to $25 per hour. So this next job is an operations specialist that comes from a company called Rupa Health. So they want you to this job mainly involves some data transfer. That's what you're going to be doing here. But you will also be doing some administrative tasks here related to lab orders. Maybe you're going to be interacting with practitioners and labs over the phone and email. Again, you're going to be doing some data transfer and back-end process improvements. So it says that some of your job duties may evolve over time or change over time. So just keep that in mind. But in order for you to be a qualified or a potential candidate for this job, you will definitely need to live in the U.S., have reliable internet, be able to start right away. So if you're ready to start working from home right now, please apply to this company. This is a full-time job, so make sure you're able to commit to that working full-time. You also need to have good communication skills, be a problem solver, and highly organized. So if you are, please apply. This job pays $40,000 per year with benefits and unlimited PTO. And that's also on the weekly job page. So there's a company called TPAPT or TPAPT, and they're looking for college admissions strategists to work from home. So this is that high-paying work-at-home job that I mentioned that pays $75 to $90 per hour. And so they need remote workers what they call college advisors, to help students in grades 9 through 12 prepare for the college admissions process. So this is what you're going to be doing from your home office. You're going to be working with these students to help them get ready for that. You will also plan, it says here, for and request letters of recommendation. Maybe you're going to provide admissions, interview, coaching, and plan their application submission timeline, and review and compare admissions with students and families and all of that. But you will need a bachelor's degree here. You do need to work at least 10 hours per week and have at least 2 years experience in the following bullet points below. Be outgoing with good writing skills and can work independently. Again, $75 to $90 per hour. Now, this particular company has another work from home job. They actually have about 4 that I think I saw earlier. So they also are looking for tutors that pays $50 to $70 per hour for you to do this from home. Then they also are hiring a college application essay specialist to work from home, paying $45 to $55 an hour. And what you're going to do, they actually have 2 openings, just in case you were wondering. And so you're going to work with students in grades 10 through 12 to help them prepare for college applications. So that's what you're going to be doing. You're going to help them so they can get ready to enter college when the time is available to do so. And you will need to be familiar with remote learning through Zoom or some other similar web conferencing tool, and then be able to work 5 to 20 hours a week. Now, if you have a bachelor's degree, BFA or MFA, that's great, but not a requirement. So again, an entry-level job, and they say that they will give you regular reviews and raises. So it's only going to go up from there. If you get hired in at $55 per hour, then your pay will go up from there. So this is also on the weekly job section. If you're interested, please apply online. Now, the data entry job that is hiring immediately comes from Conduent. They have work from home jobs for data entry keyers to do this right now. So you're going to capture and validate data. This is what you're going to be doing for this company. You will also research and analyze issues to make sure the information is sufficient, and you will make decisions based on that to follow up with the next steps. You will also follow up on pending documents. You're going to return erroneous electronic data forms to the customer for additional information. But basically, most of this is just involving you capturing and to validate data. And you will also correct the data as needed. So what they're looking for is those with a strong work ethic. I can't talk today for some reason. So if you do, please apply online. You also need to have effective problem-solving skills, some customer service experience, and good verbal skills. You do, again, need to live in the U.S., and this job is going to pay you $13.50 to $14 per hour with great benefits, and you will be contacted from a recruiter with a 770 area code from Georgia. So if you get any kind of information or a text or phone call from someone with that area code, please know that it's related to this job for data entry keyer, data entry clerk to work for Conduent. So they have a lot of openings. They don't say what kind of computer equipment you need. I'm not sure if they will supply it for you. So, but it may be possible. I'm just not really sure. But please apply to this job as soon as you can. Again, all of these jobs are listed on the weekly job page, and there are more work from home jobs from companies hiring this month that you can apply to online. So if you see another job that you're interested in, make sure you apply. And then let us know if you've gotten hired to work from home, or if you've been asked to interview with a company, or you have some good news to share. We really want to hear from you. We appreciate it so much. And thank you so much for watching this video to the end. If you know anybody that wants to work from home, please feel free to share this video with them. And again, come back tomorrow on the weekly job page for even more work from home jobs. You can also browse my site, workersonboard.com, for additional ways to make money from home. And again, I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. And if you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please feel free to leave me those right below this video. Thank you so much for watching. And make sure you check out for my next video.